may i-report lang ako. Nagpalinis po kasi ako ng room and housekeeping lang yung pumasok. Hindi ko siya nakita pero natinig ko siya kumanta.
Anong kanta?
I want it back.
I want it that way. Okay ah. Number 1, kantahin mo nga yung I want it that way.
Hindi nga, seryoso? You are my fire,
Number 2,
the one desire.
Number 3,
Believe when I say
and number 4,
I want it that way.
tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
And number 5,
I never wanna hear you say I want it that way.
woo! Magkakagaling!
Number 5. Number 5 yung kumuha ng bracelet ko.
Ang ina, nakalimutan ko.